Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. Install Python 3.11 or later and a code editor and run a quick hello world to verify. Once done, spend short focus sessions on variables, conditionals, and functions so you build muscle memory. Choose a tiny, concrete project like a calculator and start coding immediately. This accelerates learning because you apply ideas rather than just read about them. You now move into the complex middle where depth matters. Schedule 30 to 60-minute practice sprints with one clear goal, implement a feature or fix a bug so progress is measurable. Make sure to learn lists, dicts, sets, and modules, and use virtual environments to isolate projects. Once done, add simple tests and debug with breakpoints. Reading the official docs while coding helps you understand why patterns exist, and refactoring consolidates learning. You finish by polishing and delivering your project so learning becomes demonstrable. Add error handling, logging, and a README, then push to GitHub or deploy to a simple host to get real-world feedback. If things break, isolate the failing section and write a focus test to reproduce the issue. This reveals root causes fast. One key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, reduce inputs to the smallest case that still fails, then fix that minimal example and expand again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.